you? I hope you all are doing good. So what I'm going to do, what is this? I don't know what is this. So what we are going to do, we are going to create some glamorous makeup look today. So let's get started without wasting any time. The primer, I'm just going to take a very little amount of primer, and I'm just going to apply on the apple of the cheeks because what it will do, it helps to close my pores. So I'm just going to do like this. I'm just going to use these 4 fingers and I'm just going to do like this. Okay. And I'm just going to apply foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to use this Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and actually this is my shade. So I'm just going to take a little amount of foundation on my hand, and yes, I'm just going to take a little amount of foundation and I'm just going to apply here. Okay, as you can see, it is a yellow tone foundation, so it suits on my skin. I'm just going to apply all over my face. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this sponge. This is from 20 something, and actually I love this sponge. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to take this sponge and I'm just going to do dab all over my face. So I'm just going to create some brown kind of makeup look today. Actually I don't know. Let's see what kind of makeup we are going to create. So I'm just going to do dab all over my face. Blending is the most important part of the makeup, so please give time in blending. Apply less thing, but it should look very good. Okay, so don't forget to apply on your neck because neck is the most important part of the makeup. So I'm just going to drag the foundation on my neck. Now after that, I'm going to apply very little bit of concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty and I'm actually obsessed with this concealer. Why? Because it is buttery soft and the coverage is very good, and even it is affordable too. So I'm just going to take a little amount of concealer and I'm not going to apply too much concealer under the eyes because I don't want my base to look cakey. I don't want to make my base look too cakey. Oh my god. Now after that, I'm just going to use this kabuki brush for blending my concealer. So I'm going to blend my concealer very well because blending is the most important part. Okay, so I'm dragging some concealer and I'm applying on my lids also. As you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? Actually I love this difference. So I'm just going to blend it very well. So I'm done with the blending. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this compact. Basically it is like a MAC. So I'm just going to take this compact and I'm just going to set all the concealer which I have applied on my face, and I'm obsessed with concealer, guys. You should definitely try this concealer. Now today we are going to create some brownish, so today we are going to create some brownish peachy kind of look. Okay, I'm not going to create peachy look because you all are going to unsubscribe me because I have created so many peach kind of look. I'm so sorry guys. Alright, so I'm just going to take this palette. Okay, so from this is from Wet n Wild. So I'm just going to take the darkest shade. Yes, I'm not going to apply on the crease because we have to start with the lightest shade on the crease. So I'm just going to take and the brush is not even clean. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so lazy. So I'm just going to apply the brown shade all over my lids. Okay, very smoothly, very softly, as you can see. Now after that, what I'm going to use, I'm just going to take the lightest shade, this white shade, and I'm just going to blend my brown color and this white color. So what it will do, it will make my look like bomb. Okay, look like a bomb. Oh my god, isn't? So I'm just going to take the color and I'm just going to blend it very nicely, because blending is the most important part. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply winged eyeliner. For the winged eyeliner, I'm just going to use this NYB liquid liner, Okay, so I'm just going to create a very bold kind of wing. Okay, so I'm done with the blending. So I'm just going to remove all the excess product. Then I'm just going to apply the wing liner very beautifully. Okay. Yeah, take your time and apply very nicely. So yeah, I'm done with the wing color, and can you see how pretty it is looking? Oh my god, I'm actually loving it. After saying loving it, I'm missing the McDonald's. So yeah. Now I'm just going to do contouring. For the contouring, I'm just going to take this NY Bay concealer. This is in the shade Toffee, and today we are going to do contouring, not bronzing. So yeah, I'm just creating the line all over my face. Oh my god, it is looking like a kutumbira. Okay, what I'm creating. Okay, now I'm just going to blend my concealer with the same concealer. This is a contouring, so I'm just going to blend my contouring stick with the same kind of with the same. What is this? This is a sponge. Okay, so I'm just going to blend my all the contouring with the sponge. You don't have to drag it, you just need to blend it. Okay, so I'm just going to apply some loose powder from Revolution, Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to apply under my eyes to brighten up. Okay, so I'm just going to apply here also to get some beautiful cut, and I look like Sundar Ladki. Okay, I'm just going to take very little bit and I'm just going to apply under my eyes. Okay, now yeah, I'm actually loving it. With my brows, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply my favorite part. This is blush. This is from Safari. If you're a beginner, you should definitely try this blush. As you can see, it is so beautiful, and I got it from this Cups and Lashes, and this brush is from Pune store, and this is a blush brush. Yeah, so I'm just going to take a very little bit and I'm just going to apply on the apple of my cheeks, and I'm so obsessed with this blush. Oh my god, this is so beautiful color, and this is in the shade what? I guess this is an orange cola. So I'm just going to apply on the apple of the cheeks. I'm so obsessed. This is much better than Maybelline Master Comb. This is much better than Maybelline brush. Okay, I'm so confused and so messed up. Okay, so I'm just going to apply, and I'm just going to do blending. Okay, I like to apply blush very much. I can marry with the blush. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with the blush. It is looking so beautiful, guys. I actually love to apply blush. Okay, now I'm going to apply mascara. For the mascara. Okay, where is the mirror? Oh my god, I'm so messed up. I can't even tell you guys. So I'm just going to take the mascara. This is from I don't know the brand, because I don't know. I'm so bulakkad. So I'm just going to apply 2-3 coat of the mascara, and this mascara is bomb, guys. I'm so sorry I cannot tell you the name. And I'm actually liking the eye makeup. It is looking so beautiful. I don't know it is looking good on the camera or not, but it is looking bomb. Be real. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this pencil brush. So I'm just going to take some product on the and can you see some sound on my background? Can you see? Oh, I'm so sorry. Can you hear some sound on the background? This is a AC sound. I'm so sorry for that. So I'm just going to take the some black eyeshadow on the pencil brush, and I'm just going to apply here. Can you see? Wow. smudging this black color under my eyes. It will create some smoky brown tone kind of look. This is not a brown monochromatic look. Okay, this is just a brown makeup look. If you love brown, okay, brown is beautiful. You can try this makeup look. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with the brown. What is this? I'm done applying the brown color under my lash line. Now what we are going to do, we are going to apply lipstick. For the lipstick, I'm just going to use this is lipstick. Basically this is a pretty brown color, and let me tell you the shade. This is in the shade, oh my god, this is the same shade. This is the Pretty Please MNU 15. Okay, this is a Maybelline lipstick, and can you see the color? Oh my god, I'm trying it for the first time. Actually, I don't like to apply these kinds of shade, but still I'm applying. Please tell me in comment section whether this kind of lipstick suits on me or not. Okay, it's creamy, and I'm actually liking the color. Basically, it has some brown color, some red tone color. So I'm done with all the things. I'm not going to apply lashes but you have to apply lashes in this look. I'm not applying lashes because I'm so lazy. I'm so sorry for that, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, and actually my makeup vanity is downstairs, and I have to go and I have to take all the lashes, and then I have to come again upstairs. I'm going to apply more mascara. Okay, to add some more volume. This is from, oh my god, the wand is looking so beautiful. This is my final makeup look. As you can see, this is brown tone kind of makeup look. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please do a big thumbs up and comment, share and subscribe to my channel for such more kind of videos. Bye bye.